Let's cut across to the Motilal Oswal presser.
Stabilizing this quarter at about 18-19 crores. This quarter we have recognized some of the losses of NSCL, and because of that provision, the declared profit is somewhat lower, and as the progress of NSCL recovery happens, we will take a much more cautious approach, and by March probably all the things will be very clear. So broader trends in the market is what is happening is still industry has good volume, but cash segment is still losing the momentum, and that's the bread and butter of this industry. And retail segment is even worse in terms of loss of share in the overall loss of retail cash volume share in the entire market volumes. So that's bringing more pressure onto the revenues. So cost line is kind of very tight, and we are still trying to invest into the business, and we are recruiting people, and we have taken on to net addition of about 60-70 people in this year, and we still have hope that in next 12 months or so the industry turns around, economy turns around, and we will again have a growth coming back to the company's bottom lines.
So, किस तरीके से आप देख रहे हैं कि काफी सारा सेंसेक्स एक और नए हाई की ओर है, दूसरी ओर जो रिटेल पार्टिसिपेशन है वो कम होता जा रहा है, और ब्रोकरेज हाउसेस को काफी मार्जिन पे प्रेशर है और काफी डिफिकल्टी आ रही है मेंटेन करने में बिजनेस को.
I think this is a cyclical business which you don't have very clear outlook in terms of when it will grow and when it will not. But industry is also passing through a rapid growth as well as rapid change in the market share of the various types of businesses. Like industry has grown at 27% compounded in the last 5 years. In 2008-9, the annual daily turnover used to be about 62,000 crores. Now it is upwards of 2 lakh crores. So industry has grown per se. The importance of the entire stock market fraternity or the market per se has grown over a period of time. What has happened is that cash volume has actually come down by 20-30%. What used to be say 15,000-16,000 crores per day, what used to be about
cash volume used to be about 16,000-17,000 crores.
That has come down.
13,000 crores.
And whereas the overall market has grown at 27%. So you can imagine the cash volume has come by almost 30% compounded per year to the total size. So I think this is a very cyclical thing, and part of it is definitely cyclical. And as the economy turns around, as the markets turn around, I'm sure this ratio, which has the cash volume ratio of at the peak, it was 25%, has come down to 6%, and global average is about 16-17%. So we are well below we have undershot big time. Some government actions are also required to restore cash volumes, but I think we have overdone in terms of correction at 6% to the overall volume. We think that in next 3-4 years, the industry volume will grow to say maybe 4 lakh crores per day, and the cash volume, which is about 15,000 crores now, could go 3-4 times. So that's the potential of this industry.
What kind of major?
Motilal Oswal Finance there, the stock's down about 3 1/3%. Let's bring in Sirvendra Srivastava right now. He's been tracking the market opening up.